So don't try to outshine your master. The delegate, give him his place, give her her place, respect the order, just walk humbly. Just give them the place. For a person to see something in you and trust you to act on their behalf, is a large heart that will do that. So respect it. Respect that. Number, what is it? 12. A delegate has the power to submit his inability to the delegator. It is the responsibility of the delegator to empower the delegate. Where that is lacking, the delegate is unable to function to his fullest capacity. See, if you are assigned to do a thing, you're delegated to do a thing, unfortunately you don't have ability on certain things, or you are inadequate in certain, then submit that inability to your leader by letting him know you are delegated, but this area might not be, I have challenge in this area, and then they can fix that for you. Okay, don't worry. When you get to Lagos, call me. I'll call my friend to send his driver to pick you at the airport. And when they pick you, they should take you straight to that place. Because you've already complained about certain things, all these inabilities can be submitted to the leader, and he can use his connection to fix all of them. It may be a big mountain before it, not before him. You understand what I'm saying? And you are going to so-and-so. Okay, Dr. So-and-so is there. When you get to that place, call me. I'd like to talk to him. And then when you get to this other one, do. And all that is a big mountain before you, like that. It will go. So don't be too proud to ask for help. Okay? Every delegate, or every delegator at some point will evaluate his productivity in the light of what is delegated. This is when we are called to accountability. In some big organizations, there's always monitoring and evaluation unit to help assess the organization's progress. So if you already have up to 10 staff on your board or in your organization, you need to create an evaluation and monitoring unit. It might not be even right there. Contract someone to come and assess that. We're not doing that here now, but we have an assessment form. Assessment in productivity assessment before you promote a person. That we can produce that and then give it to them. And then you say, these 3 people, this is your supervisor, these 3 people, this is your supervisor, this is your manager. You ask them to feel on the scale of 1 to 5. What do you rate this person? What do you rate this person? What do you rate? You can give to colleagues to rate to each other. And you sit back, and your consultant will look into this and say, look, this person needs to work harder to be promoted by the recommendation of our colleagues. This person, this. And the monitoring and evaluation will come up and say, what have you done? Show me your work. He's able to look through, he's able to, and then we see that there's a way we analyze those things, put it on the scale and say that this person hasn't gotten as much as. And then at the end, they write that you pay the person off. But that helps you to know how to handle your staff. Do you understand what I'm saying? We do those things. And then finally, certain actions of a delegate almost always increases one's power or observance of the law, while others decrease because of the transgression of the law. What that means is that there are certain things that a delegate will do that the boss will say, I'm promoting you for this, or I'm adding more power to you. But there are things that if he doesn't respect these rules, that will make the man water down his authority. Next time you say, no, don't do this when you go. I will send somebody else to do it. Do you understand?